Compatible with Jeep Cherokee 2.4L 2014 to 2018, Cherokee 3.2L 2014 to 2018. Replaces ACDELCO A3308C, Chrysler 52022378 52022378 AB, FRAM California 11877, PUROLATOR A38189, Wicks Washington, 10096. Improve performance by changing your vehicle's air filter at least every 12,000 miles, or as recommended in your car owner's manual, to ensure your vehicle's engine has the clean and efficient airflow it needs for fast acceleration and power. Avoid increased engine wear caused by dirty air intake filters that may allow damaging particles to get into the engine. Factory fit for easy installation. Changing your engine air filter is a small task that can have a big impact on engine performance and longevity. For optimal engine health, it's recommended that the engine air filter be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Most engine air filters are very easy to change, requiring few or no tools and only a few minutes of your time. Top reviews from the United States. Great way to save money versus dealer. If you're even the slightest bit mechanically inclined, I would highly adjust just swapping these out on your own and your vehicles. You'll save yourself $40 or $50 just on the installation cost. Most vehicles have designs that make it really easy to spot about air filters, and that's why they offered to do it so quickly at oil change shops.